Hello everyone, I bring you another video in financial markets. In this case, the pocket screen on is not showing completely, so we're going to use the amount $15 and we're going to use two indicators, okay? For that, we're gonna use that. Let's delete this, all right? And we're gonna use today only Aroon and Stochastic oscillator, okay? The ring is located there, and I'm moving to remove that. And now just to set up. 25 on period, and the style is up to you. As you can see there, you can change the color and preference. Okay. Stochastic oscillator 14, 3, 3, and moving average simple movement. And this color as well. Also, that is up to you. As you can see that, just click on save, and we are getting to our first one. Resistance line. Okay, and support line. Let's start with that and try to get our first entry right here. When the indicator starts to rise, it's mean the bullish or bearish force is starting to appear. Excuse me. And when the other one starts to rise and the bullish force is appearing, right? Here. It's more complicated, guys, range to see, but you can see that the basement actually makes this movement. There is no movement of this type. All right? Here, I decrease in that fall periods. It doesn't start to tilt. And I took what it does. No, the other one starts to fall, and this one is already reaching the minimum point. Okay. Look at the minimum point. What it does, well, it goes back. Yes, it's false, but it's trying to go up. It's trying to go up. And the one that loses trend is who? That's right here. Okay. The trend, of course, is that I'm good to upward and downward trend, and those are small challenge. They want to see there as like here, don't look at, or at least around here trend begins. Okay, it's looking up to the my like arrow, reaching the zero line. I could wait. I'll wait for a wait chart at that point, and the indicator signals downward trend. That's how simple this strategy works when it has the first entry. I would take and explain the possible entry. I almost have the entry. It's almost there. Well, I look at the 30 seconds right now. Let's change this one. Okay. Chart 1 minute. The indicator has already reached the zero. Look at this. And now I got the oscillator as well. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. That's not the point to down, but that's okay for us. Okay, so the price is the resistance. We just need to run the rejection candle and consider entry right here as a sell button. Okay, so look, we have something interesting here. The arrow indicators already starting to give an upward momentum. The stochastic is no, but the concept of the price action. I'm at the resistance. Let's watch the time the price of the resistance has been there for a while. The price is rising there. It's not giving me another entry. And right now with the M1, there's it. It's always indicator the entry, okay? So that's okay, good for us. Look at this. It's touching the psychology entry point here too. I'm going to enter the 2 minutes on the next time just to show you what that. And look at this, guys. 15 seconds to go. You're almost there. How much is this? What can be? Let's see as long as it's win the position, right? So, few seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Oh yeah, we got this, man. Look at that. $27 of profits. And let's go now again for the next one. Okay. That's tell me more or less when to enter. Sure, that rejection cannot here. But look what I'm doing. I'm testing this. Okay. That is if analysis 30 seconds. It's use 1 minute of analysis. 1 minute is used 2 minutes. So I have another entry quickly change the time frame, the expiration time. And well, let's wait to see the second position turns out. And as I was saying, no, not as determined resistance. I'm at the point both reward and entry clearly occurred based at the price not breaking and not conditioned with the indicators, as I had shown before. Okay, that's the reason I'm changed the time frame. Okay, so I'll wait and see how the second position, third seconds went up. Okay, and look at that, last seconds and the trade. We have another winning position, man. $50 of profits on that. Okay, we're going to look for a high time frame. Well, that's one not here yet. I didn't want to. Okay, it was going up, and I started to fall back, and this one is dominant run, right? Let's look at the large time frame. Okay, can this one wait? No, because look, this one reaching. Okay, you can see that. This one is reaching the point where it's almost at the bottom. Look at that right now. It's falling, and but in this case, I'm looking at M5. Okay, that's the reason. I have to wait for the candle to close, and if confirmation is given, I will have to enter in 10 minutes. That's not good, but that's the point. Okay, so I'm going to wait for the candle to close. If the candles reject the downward event, at 10 minutes, it will be last trade of that session. But I have to wait for the close first, right? We have the candle on the pairs. 10 minutes, that means the entry is happening, okay? The arrow indicator has started to move up, okay? So, the downward movements, and while a downward trend is turning upward, it's already telling me that it's going to start fallback. Almost this indicator. Well, then this time, but it's 10 minutes. The bad thing is that is one for those ugly magic candles. That is like jumping, but it's canceling everything out of one fell swoop, right? So, guys, I went in for the strategy. The downside, the payouts, the wars-wise, no big deal. I don't recommend it for that in 10 minutes. That's not a fast strategy, okay? Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. But to speak, because I wasn't waiting long, not for entry, so you can see the how that's ME1, ME2 works, then ME10, the season, I'm serving. Now I'm going to wait for the results and see how the last trade for the session turns out. Okay, and look at that one. We got this final sec to conclude the session when we got 78 profits on this. In the end, I'm having a heart attack. No candles close to 1 minute or M10. That was pretty close, man. The bad thing about the entry is that the price falls very, very, very low, and you could wait for a pullback and enter 5 minutes as well. That's up to you. We'll see that is so long the financial markets, more complicated in large seasons. Because the markets doesn't always behave as expected. Sometimes it can be that. It just happens to fall and there's pullback, and the pressure is lowest because it's already very low. But then when the end the strategy just give me 5 times the profit on that. That's pretty good. Okay. And try a different time frame just to show you how to do that. Okay, just try it. It's up to you, of course. But I save myself for trading ME1 and ME2 the maximum. For that, I'm signing off. Okay. If you like this video, guys, give a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you daily live stream. See you in the channel in the next video. Bye bye. Have a good day. See you.